Hello children, today I will explain you about factors and multiples. Factors. What is the meaning of a factor? Factors means when a number is divisible by another number exactly, then it is said to be a factor. Let me give you an example. 32. Divide this number by 2. 2 1 ja 2. 1 2. So what is this number? It is 12. 2 6 are 12. Now what is the remainder here? Remainder is 0. If I will divide the same number 32 by 3, 32 divided by 3. 3 1 ja 3. Then comes here 2. 3 zeros are 0. Now what is the remainder here? 2. So here 0 is the remainder and here 2 is the remainder. What does it implies? It implies that 2 is a factor of 32 but 3 is not a factor of 32. Okay children? Now the next one is your multiples. What is the meaning of a multiples? Multiples means tables. You are going to write down tables. Multiples. It is equal to writing the tables of a particular number. Suppose if I will write here, write first 5 multiples of 2. Then what you are going to write it? You are going to write the table of 2. Table of 2 means 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 are 6, 2 4 are 8 and 2 5 are 10. It means that 2 multiplied by 1, 2 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by 3, 2 multiplied by 4, 2 multiplied by 5. Why I have multiplied only 5 times? Because it is written first 5. First 5 means starting from 1, 5 means till your end. So this is your first 5. Similarly, if I will ask you, write first 4 multiples of 3. First 4 multiples. So what you are going to write it? 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 are 9 and 3 4 ja 12. Okay children? So what in multiples you will write? Multiples you are going to write the table of that particular number. Now I will be explaining you about divisibility rule. By this rule you will find it easy that whether the particular number or whether the given number is divisible by that number or not. So first one is test of divisibility by 2. If I will give you any number and I will ask you whether the number is divisible by 2 or not, then what you are going to do it? You are going to check whether the number is even or odd. If the number is even, then it is divisible by 2. If the number is odd, then it is not divisible by 2. But here, what are even number? Even number means whatever number is there in unit place, the number should be your 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If any digit is there in unit place of that particular number, then it is even number and it is divisible by 2. Let me give you an example. 764. Now, what is the place of 4? It is ones. Place of 6? It is tens. Place of 7? It is 100. Now, in ones place, what is the number I have written here? 4. Is 4 is there in this particular set? Yes, it is there. So, what does it mean? That it is a even number. It is divisible by 2. Now, what is the step you are going to write it here? First, you will write it here. It is even number. Then you will write it here. It is divisible by 2. Okay children. Now another example. If I will write it here 557. What is the number in ones place here? It is 7. Is 7 is there in this set of number? No, it is not there. So what you will write it here? It is odd number. So it is not divisible by 2. So for 2, what you are going to check? You are going to check only even and odd. If the number is even, it is divisible. If the number is odd, then it is not divisible. Now, test of divisibility by 3. For 3, what you are going to do is, you are going to check, add all the digits of a number. Let me take an example. 6, 7, 5. 675. You are going to check whether 675 is divisible by 3 or not. So what you are going to do it? You will add all the digits of a number. 6 plus 7 plus 5. What is 6 plus 7? It is 13. And what is 13 plus 5? It is 18. Is 18 is going in 3's table? Yes, it is going in 3's table. So what does it mean? It means that 675 is divisible by 3. Okay children? Now, suppose if I am writing it here, 5, 5, 9. 559. So what you will do it first here? 5 plus 5 plus 9. 5 plus 5 is 10. And 10 plus 9 is 19. Is 19 is going in 3's table? No, it is not divisible. So what you will write it here? 559 is not divisible by 3. So for 3, what you are going to do it? Whatever digit number is given, add all the digit of that number and then check whether that number is divisible by 3 or not. Okay. Now next one is test of divisibility by 4. For 4, what you are going to do is take last 2 digit of a number. Okay children, last 2 digit means, suppose if I have written here 1764. So what number you are going to take? You are going to take only 64. You will not take 17. Okay, 64. Write it here 64. Divide this number by 4. Okay, 4 1 ja 4. 24. 4 6 ja 24. Remainder is 0. So what does this mean? This means that 4 is a factor of 64. And it also means that 1764 is divisible by 4. So for 4, what you are going to do is, you are going to check only the last 2 number. Suppose, another example I will take it. Suppose if you have written here 3132. Now 32 is there. Okay, and everyone knows that 32 is going in 4's table. 4 multiplied by 8. 4 multiplied by 8 is 32. So it means that it is divisible. Here you no need to show the division. You can write it here directly that 32 is divisible by 4. Therefore 3132 is divisible by 4. One more number is there. Suppose if I will write here 5700. Now what is the last 2 digit here? The last 2 digit is 00. So in this case also, this number is divisible by 4. So what is the rule of a 4? For rule of a 4 is that you are going to take only the last 2 digit and you are going to check whether it is divisible by 4 or not. Now, test of divisibility by 5. The rule of 5 is also very easy children. In rule of 5, what you are going to do is, what you are going to check is, you are going to check last digit only in the number which is there in ones place. Suppose if I have written here 70, 145, 235, 1000. Okay, all these number. What is the number which is there in ones place? The number is either 0 or 5 I have written. I have not written any other number. So, the rule of 5 means that whenever in ones place the number is 0 or 5, then it is divisible by 5. So, all these number is divisible by 5. But if I will write it here, 60, 67, 72, 148, 249, all these numbers, ones place of these numbers are not 0 or not 5. So, it is not divisible by 5. So, what is the rule of a 5? The rule of 5 is that in ones place the number should be either 0 or should be 5. Then only it is divisible by 5. Other rules of divisibility I will be explaining you in the next class. Thank you, children.